everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Rashi Goel, and in this video we are going to solve square root of x plus square root of y is 9. X minus y is also 9, and we have to find the value of x plus y. So let's start with today's video solution. So first I'm considering this as equation number 1 and this as equation number 2. So from equation first, so root x plus root y is equals to 9. So root x is equals to 9 minus root y. Now I am doing squaring both sides. So it becomes root x square is x is equals to, here I am going to use a very famous identity, that is a minus b whole square. A square plus b square minus 2ab. So 9 square plus under root y square plus 2 times 9 times under root y. So x is equals to 9 square is 81 plus y plus 18 root y. Now from equation second, x minus y is equals to 9. So x is equals to 9 plus y. So I'm going to put here in place of x, 9 plus y is equals to 81 plus y plus 18 root y. So 9 plus y minus 81. This is negative here. -81 negative y is equals to negative 18 root y. So positive y cancel out the negative y, and 9 minus 81 is negative 72 is equals to negative 18 root y. So negative 72 by negative 18 is equals to root y. So in table of 18, 72 comes at 4 times. Now I am doing again squaring both sides. So y is equals to 16. So as we know that x is equals to 9 plus y. So x is equals to 9 plus 16, which is 25. So we have to find the value of x plus y. So it is 25 plus 16, that is 41. I hope it's clear and you find it useful. So please give us a thumbs up and do subscribe to my channel. Stay tuned.